How to edit and change Shopify header size. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do so. Now, this is going to highly depend on your actual theme settings, but we're just going to show you exactly what you need to, where you need to go in order to change these settings. First, log into your Shopify store, admin, go to online store, themes, and click on edit theme. From here, you're going to be able to find all the different sections here on the left side, and all you need to do is just click on the header section. Once you click on that, you want to scroll down until you find the option appearance, and you're going to find plenty of options to change here. So we have the width, we can make it page or full width. So it's just going to change that for us. And also we have the height here. We have either compact or standard. If you want it to be compact, so smaller, you can just feel free to click on that. It's just going to be a lot smaller than the usual, or you can just leave it as standard and just increase the border thickness if you would like so. Now, what I recommend you to do if you find yourself with limited options here when it comes to changing the size of your header is just go to your AI, it could be ChatGPT or Gemini, and you can just ask it to add a CSS code for your header section for Shopify, which is going to increase or decrease the size depending on what you actually want. But other than that, you're going to find all of these options in here, as you can see. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.